Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Pathak, Technical Engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to explain about charging discharging machine rating of 100 volt and 30 ampere. So this machine require a single phase connection. You can see this is the require a single phase connection, and after connecting the power supply of the single phase, here click the power button and on the MCB, and after some times you can see now machine is start. If you want to first discharge battery, or if you want to charge the battery, here click on the discharge, and here are show the different parameter. If you want to discharge in constant current, or if you want to discharge in constant power, here click it, and after putting the parameter, here show the if you want to discharge the battery pack up to 50 volt or 45 volt or 56 volt, here put the value of the voltage. After putting all the parameter, here save, and after save all the parameter, here click the exit, and here option is start. Here show the 53 volt of the now present value of the battery pack, and here click the start. Taking some time, and here you can see this is the now voltage is decreases, and discharging current approx 20 ampere. If you want to first charge the battery pack, here click on the charge mode, and again as previous, here you can set all the value, and setting all the value, click the start test. Taking some moment. Here you can see the voltage increases and current also increases, and this set up to 10 ampere. And if you want to charge or discharge in cyclic mode, again stop. Here click the cyclic. If you want to first discharge or charge, here click the cycle parameter. If you first if you want to discharge or charge, here put all the parameter. Suppose if you want to first charge, here put all the parameter. Suppose if you want to first discharge, or first if you want to charge, so click charge. If you want to discharge, and in discharge you can see the different parameter. Discharging mode again constant current, and constant current or constant power. Here you can change the also discharging current up to 30 ampere. Here put the value. Suppose if you want to discharge the battery pack 50 ampere, you can change the value also. maximum up to 30 ampere. And this is the discharging in the battery pack voltage. If you want to discharge the battery pack up to 45 or 40 volt, you can put the value. Suppose if you want to discharge the battery pack up to 48 volt, you can put the value and click OK. And this show the cell end voltage, means per cell of the battery pack. And again save the all parameter, and here start the taking some moment. Here you can see this was all about charging discharging machine, rating of 100 volt 30 ampere. If you want to more information about this machine or other machine, you can visit our head office Semco Infratech Private Limited, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this video.